Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the account measurable. Switch to a creator or business account and confirm a linked Facebook page so metrics populate. Once done, make sure you have the latest app version and necessary permissions. Open your profile, tap Insights, and you'll land on Overview. You need this view to see reach, interactions, and follower activity immediately. This first step initializes data collection and gives you the baseline to act on. Don't skip verifying permissions, or you won't see accurate results. Now dig into content and audience. In content, filter posts, reels, or stories and pick a time range like 7, 30, or 90 days so trends emerge. Then sort by reach or engagement percent to find winners. Look at saves and shares to judge resonance. Transition to audience to note top cities, age brackets, and daily active hours. This is why you'll schedule posts when followers are most active. Use these insights to prioritize content types and posting times that boost retention and reach. You finish by turning insight into action. Run a/B tests on captions, formats, and times, then monitor results in insights to learn what scales. Once you see patterns, adjust your content mix and publishing calendar to match peak follower hours and high engagement formats. If metrics don't update or data looks wrong, reconnect your Facebook link, clear app cache, update the app, and recheck permissions. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues and ensures the dashboard reflects real behavior quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.